Hello everyone, welcome back to this brand video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix account restrictions. This iPhone is restricted from creating mail accounts on your iPhone and iPads iOS 14 and 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you have to do is just tap here on OK and go back to your home screen. And then open up settings app here on your device. And then scroll it down here and tap on screen time. And again scroll it down here and tap on content and privacy restrictions. And now again scroll it down here and tap on account changes. Give your screen time passcode here, and here it's at don't allow, so tap here on allow and then go back, and after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.